October 19, 2017. While the entire world was observing China's historic achievement of landing its Yutu-2 rover on the far side of the lunar surface for the very first time in human history, an astronomer named Robert Warwick made a groundbreaking discovery. This discovery was none other than an asteroid that we now recognize as Oumuamua. This quickly made headlines all over the world.
Across the country, especially among anyone interested in extraterrestrials.
It was named Oumuamua.
While one might assume that identifying or categorizing objects in space should be straightforward, Oumuamua's tale proved to be a departure from the norm. This celestial enigma left both scientists and astronomers puzzled. In 2017, Oumuamua entered our solar system. Discovered by astronomer Robert Warwick on October 19, 2017, this interstellar object was unlike anything we've seen before. Originally thought to be shaped like a cigar and measuring hundreds of meters in length, Oumuamua's origins were a cosmic puzzle. Its journey through our solar system was also very strange. Unlike typical comets, it had a weird behavior. You'd expect a space object to travel at regular speeds like other space objects, right? Well, Oumuamua broke this space rule. Scientists realized it seemed to be traveling at its own unique speed. This was what brought up the controversy that it could be a comet. Comets are icy bodies in space that develop tails made of volatile materials. These tails appear as the volatile materials vaporize off the comet's body due to the sun's immense heat, but it displayed no tail or coma, raising questions about its composition. Oumuamua also exhibited non-gravitational acceleration, possibly due to outgassing or the pressure of solar radiation. But what truly captivated scientists and stargazers was Oumuamua's trajectory. It moved incredibly fast, traveling at about 85.7 thousand miles per hour. What made it even more interesting was how it moved around our sun. Scientists realized it wasn't just following the sun's pull with gravity. It had come from somewhere far beyond our solar system. This is when people started thinking it might be from another world. This discovery caused a lot of arguments and worry among scientists and the public. The idea that an alien object was exploring our solar system was scary. And as it zipped past the sun in space, it was clear that our sun couldn't control or influence this mysterious visitor, heading back into the depths of interstellar space, leaving behind a host of unanswered questions about its origins and nature. Oumuamua's peculiar acceleration sparked speculation. Intriguing theories abound, from it being a fragment of an exoplanet to even suggestions that it might be an alien spacecraft. Some theories even suggested it could be an extraterrestrial probe, just like our Voyager spacecrafts. Instead of relying on traditional fuels, some experts proposed the idea that Oumuamua might be propelled by an unidentified internal energy source. The mystery deepened as the origin of this object remained a puzzle. Attempting to determine its age presented a significant challenge. To do so would require obtaining a live sample or a close-up view of Oumuamua. However, its astonishing speed made both of these options not possible. It raced through space so fast that no telescope on Earth could capture a clear image of it. This is why scientists initially mistook its shape, believing it to be a cigar-like shape, only to later correct their observation, revealing it to be a pancake-shaped object. This discovery added to the intrigue surrounding this potential alien spacecraft. So one of the more widely accepted theories proposes that Oumuamua is a flat, pancake-shaped fragment that originated from an exoplanet resembling Neptune or Pluto. In 2021, two researchers from Arizona State University, Alan Jackson and Stephen Desch, put forth a compelling idea in their published papers. Oumuamua might be a hydrogen iceberg. According to these astrophysicists, a celestial collision on the planet Oumuamua, once called home, launched this object towards our solar system some 400 to 500 million years ago. They argued that Oumuamua's birthplace had similarities in nature and composition to Pluto. The intriguing part of their theory was its explanation for Oumuamua's peculiar acceleration. Jackson and Desch proposed that Oumuamua was pushed forward by the rapid evaporation of nitrogen from its icy surface. In simpler terms, as nitrogen transitioned from a solid to a gas, it acted like a cosmic engine. Since nitrogen is abundant in our solar system, this process could have gone unnoticed by our telescopes. Currently, Oumuamua appears to be departing our solar system, and scientists anticipate it will enter interstellar space in the late 2030s. Nevertheless, there's still lingering curiosity and a hint of trepidation that Oumuamua might execute another unexpected maneuver and return to our vicinity, as it has unexpectedly reappeared on our radar. While Oumuamua is currently a considerable distance from Earth, its strange behavior and orbit make the possibility of its return a topic of interest. If we had a clear understanding of this object's identity and how to manage it, would have been ideal. Unfortunately, Oumuamua has proven to be a formidable celestial enigma, characterized by its exceptional speed. Oumuamua races through space at a rate of 5.5 astronomical units per year, equivalent to 85.7 thousand miles per hour. This velocity surpasses that of our fastest spacecraft, as the fastest recorded speed for any human-made craft is 35,000 miles per hour. It appears impossible to catch up to this mysterious object, which outpaces anything we've ever dispatched into space. Until we can advance our space instruments and technology further, Oumuamua's secrets may remain locked away. But in 2017, Project Lyra, inspired by Oumuamua, set out to address this challenge. Its mission was to devise a spacecraft capable of reaching interstellar objects like Oumuamua. The proposed solution involved deploying an innovative light-sail spacecraft, potentially arriving at Oumuamua by the early 2040s. The timeline estimates a launch between 2030 and 2033, culminating in Oumuamua rendezvousing around 2047 or 2049. The achievement of this goal is possible, as scientists have made significant improvements and innovations in spacecraft technology. For instance, LightSail 2, a diminutive craft solely propelled by solar radiation, has orbited Earth over 18,000 times, covering a distance of 8 million kilometers. Such spacecraft could propel small probes rapidly through space, using high-powered lasers reflected off their sails. Nevertheless, it seems Oumuamua is heading toward Earth, raising concerns despite its current position past Neptune's orbit. There's still a fear that this object may return to Earth due to its strange trajectory. In the event of its reappearance, various scenarios come into play. In case you think Oumuamua can't reach Earth after going so far, you're mistaken. Given our limited knowledge about this object and its past surprising acceleration when approaching the Sun, it's wise to consider various possibilities. If Oumuamua returns to Earth, a massive impact collision could ensue, resulting in widespread destruction, including landslides and mudslides. Beyond the physical devastation, the potential arrival of an alien civilization. If Oumuamua is indeed an alien spaceship, then we may have a space invasion problem on our hands. No one knows what diseases, pathogens, or deadly viruses these aliens may bring with them. They may even be civilizations with technology far more advanced than ours, like what you see in sci-fi movies. While Oumuamua's nature remains shrouded in mystery, it serves as a reminder of the vast universe beyond our planet, filled with wonders and uncertainties. What do you think? Is this object a spaceship, and will it return to collide with Earth? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.